So morning everyone, Kim here on Sydney, with my partner as well, Heath. We're on Big Bertha, it's GS. Saturday morning, the weather's gorgeous, so we thought we'd have a little tootle to Tintagel. So we'll keep you posted. We've just come through Callington, so I'll take you through all the little villages as we go along. It's about 40 miles, I think. Oh, I don't think I can hear anything in the other ear, you know, in the right ear. It only feels like I can only really hear it on the left hand side, I think. Just going through Kelly Bray. It's a little bit late indicating, wouldn't it? Be interesting to see how many tourists are down here. Not much traffic at the moment, which is good. Holding up the traffic. Oh my god, look at the queue of traffic because of the bikes. Right, so shall we talk about helmets, and I mean crash helmets. So I've been looking for a crash helmet for a few years, easily a few years. I've got an open face crash helmet which didn't really get on with, and a closed face, full face I should say, that I've had for far too long. Anyway, I purchased a Shoei Glampster a few weeks ago. Really nice. It's quite retro looking, matte black. They do it in quite a few different colours. Really comfy, super light, everything that I've been looking for really. It's taken a little bit of time to get used to. I think I need the ears moved around a little bit for the telecom, etc. But yeah, really nice. They did it in an extra small as well, which was great. The company that I bought it from, J&S in Plymouth, they were really good. Due to the COVID, couldn't really try any on. They were limited to what sizes they had. So they very kindly ordered an extra small and a small. And the extra small was perfect. Let's talk about sex, baby. There's no point talking to me on here, I can't hear you. Round around about. Magic roundabout, remember that? Hot tramp, I love you so. Yeah. Pass him. Why is he braking? This one in front of me. He's very brake happy as well. So can I. We can see the sea, people. Oh, look at that. Lovely view. So we're in Tintagel. So we've just basically ridden from the south coast to the north coast in just under 30 miles. And this is obviously where King Arthur's castle is, and also the Knights of the Round Table, and is it Merlin's Cave, I think? They was all looking at us, Eve. Well, at me. Well, we knew it was going to be busy, didn't we? No bikes? Thank you. Alright, I'll wait here on the side. Alright. Oh. Yeah, go on, speak. Hello?
Hello?
I can
down, yeah?
follow you down?
Yeah, just come on down the road, I'll stand over here.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
Where are you? Where's your bike? God, what a ball ache to park. No, he said no. That's not good, is it? If your hair's gone all curly. It is heaving. It is packed. No one is doing their 2 metre distancing for sure. Just had a nice crab sandwich in the Cornishman's Inn. Bit too much red meat for me though. Oh, brown meat. I prefer a bit of white. It's a sharp bend, Eve. No, not really, is it? Yeah. Oh, it's quite a nice little place, isn't it? Just coming down to the harbour. The place is like being in the Alps. Is it? Oh yeah. Yeah, we won't bother. It's a bit bad though, isn't it? Don't you think? That we can't stop because there's too many... No, there's too many people here, Reef. None of them are social distancing. I tell you, people that live in these places must get really pissed off. That's where we parked last time, wasn't it? Bloody hell. Now let's go and do the drone. Yes. Look at them all. Piece of piss, Eve. Oh, you're right behind me already. So we've just passed, we've just gone to David Stowe Airdrome, which isn't used anymore, but it was used to do with, it was used during the Second World War. Very, very busy there. You flicking all dirt at me, you dirty bugger. A trip's not a trip with Heath if we don't go through some obscure lane that we don't know where it ends up coming out from. I like being at the back because Heath always tells me whether there's anything coming. Gravel, vehicles, animals, goats, sheep. Packed again though, look. So we still don't know where we are. We're turning right to Bodmin. You sure? No, Wild Goose Chase. So we should have been on our Spanish holiday, and we would have been into, I think, our 6th day. Heading down to Mahaka we should have been today, which is such a shame, so disappointing. But obviously we're not the only one, so we've just moved it to the following year, so something already to look forward to. Ferries all booked. Next year is going to be such a cheap year because everything's paid for. We're still on the Wild Goose Chase. Got no idea where we are. No idea where we are. Outernon. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Now we're going to Launceston. Where the hell are we? Here we go. Proper roads. On the dual carriageway. Oh, I've not been this way before, Heath. After the red one. Yeah. We're heading back to Callington. One of Heath's magical mystery tours. Oh, shit. Oh, I nearly went then. Oh, I did. Whew. That was a bit sketchy. Cars waited for us today.